clear tu te chibai le vekule Mizoram chung le pona Mizoram Hnaruak dil theite kan en ho lenga tunchuma chuan Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti JNV School Non Teaching Post Hnaruak SSCJE Junior Engineer Hnaruak le Mizoram Environment Forest and Climate Change Department waya Forester le Forest Guard exam chungchanga buaina kan nei then khatte kan en ho le donani ahma saberin pakhatna chuanin Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti NVS Non-Teaching Post Hnaruak enila NVS le JNV School kan ti hi thil thumun reng an nia Mizoram hian JNV School pariat vel kan neya NVS Non-Teaching Post Hnaruak te Female Staff Nurse post somni le pakhat Assistant Section Officer post panga Audit Assistant post som pahni Junior Translation Officer post pali Legal Assistant pakhat Stenographer somni le pathum Computer Operator pahni Catering Supervisor somsari le pariat Junior Secretariat Assistant somni le pakhat Junior Secretariat Assistant zathum le somruk Electrician cum plumber za somni pariat Lab Attendant za somruk le pakhat Mess Helper Group C post zali somli le pahni Multitasking Staff Group C Headquarters sa post somle pakua post work zongsong sa thi sangkha zathum somsari le pasari ani hlo en le ila Female Staff Nurse pay level 7 singli sangli zakwa tanga noi khat singli sangni le zalin kar an hlo dona Assistant Section Officer Audit Assistant Group B Junior Translation Officer Legal Assistant kanti te khan pay level 6 an hlo dona chu sing thum sanga zali tanga noi khat sing khat sangni le zali an hlo dona ni Stenographer kanti te Computer Operator kanti te Catering Supervisor kanti te khan pay level 4 singni sanga zanga tanga singria sangkhat le za an hlo dona Junior Secretary Assistant Group C Electrician cum plumber kanti te khanin pay level 2 an hlonga chu singkha sangkwa zakwa tanga singruk sangthum le zan inkar ani donani Lab Attendant Mess Helper Multitasking Staff kanti te khan pay level 1 chu singkha sangria ta tanga singa sangruk le zako inkar an hlo donani thiam na ngai te dil theite Female Staff Nurse BSc in Nursing le State Nursing Council registration ti khan ni turani tin experience kha oma experience kha chu kan soivek don lawani advertisement lama kan lo en chiang don nia Assistant Section Officer graduate 3 years experience Audit Assistant BCom experience 3 years Junior Translation Officer postgraduate tan Legal Assistant degree in law le 3 years experience Stenographer Group C class 12 pass Computer Operator BCA MO BSc Computer Science IT MO BE BTech Computer Science tana dil thai dona Catering Supervisor Bachelor degree in Hostel Management Junior Secretary Assistant class 12 pass Typing speed 30 watts per minute thiamani turani Electrician cum plumber class 10 pass le ITI trade certificate in electrician MO wireman kha annei turani Lab Attendant class 10 pass tin certificate MO diploma in laboratory technique Mess Helper Group C class 10 pass tin experience kumnga athei chuan annei turani Multitasking Staff Group C kha class 10 pass tan dil thai ani donani dil dan tur en leila online training form apply turania NVS official website www.navodaya.gov.in khan kan lutanga recruitment te pa khan form fill up link o manga apply na tu link chu hemi video description a hian kada kan lo click anga kan lo en mai don nia last day chu April som thum ani dona application fee hi STSC tan om don lova amai ro chu processing fee kha cheng zanga om don ani selection process bi ka hian Legal Assistant post ti lawa chuan post dang zongsong hi written exam hmanga lak turani dona Legal Assistant post bi ka hian written ba ka khanin interview om donani age limit exam syllabus the details dang chu advertisement a khan kan lo en chiang don nia advertisement download theina link chu hemi video description a hian kada ani panhina chuanin SSCJE Civil Mechanical Electrical tan bi ka Hnaruak dil theite post work za thi zakwale somruk le pariat ania posting na mun department chu Border Road Organization BRO Central PWD Central Water Commission military engineer service kan tia te khan ani donani lo chu pay level 6 singthum sanga zali tanga nuai khat sing khat sangni zali inkar ani donani thiam nangai te SSC JE deal tur chuanin BE emo BTech in civil engineering emo mechanical engineering emo electrical engineering emo thiam na nei angaya tin diploma hautan 3 years diploma in civil mechanical or electrical engineering tan deal thei ani donani AIDS timi chu kum som pare tanga somthung le pani inkar ani dona STSC tan kumnga upper age relaxation om bokani form hi online atanga deal tur ania SSC official website ssc.gov.in atangin deal tur ani application fee hi STSC tan choi angai lovani last day chu April ni somle pariat aniang selection process a written computer based online exam mangalak tur ania personal interview omdon lovani syllabus le exam patran chengzokin advertisement a khan tharlan ania advertisement download link chu hemi video description a hian kada kan lo download don nia pathumna chuanin Mizoram Environment Forest and Climate Change Department waya forester le forest guard nalak exam chungchanga khan thil hriat fia tok lo a oma mithen khatin hriat tirna pechuak lawina rukin forester le forest guard an lato measurement le physical point to ti te social media le WhatsApp group ate han soidara hetiang hi thilom dan jok chuani tuna physical anti meka hi forest ranger halakna turami ania ni somni le pasari le somni pariat march sangni somni pali khan PET physical efficiency test an nayani forester le forest guard ani lauti kha hriat turani forest ranger halakhi group B gazette post MPSC nuaya kondakania MPSC nan kondakani forester le forest guard hi group C non gazette post ania chuchu environment forest and climate change department nuaya lakani khami EFCC khanin an kondakani RTI tanga chana kan muangin forester le forest guard nalak exam nei hun hi hriat alaniri lawani chuwangin forester le forest guard na dil tu te nasataka exam ma chon turalun bo sai turin kanin cha ani Mizoram le All India SSC banking le exam dang inbuatsaihna tu study materials mo tan chuan ka website kamliana.in khan zirtu le download tur oma study materials hi update adalu bel zelan thina akha to kin website kha kan lo chek zeu zeu thin donia